Okay guys, hello everyone. I hope my voice is clear. It's been a long time that I haven't done this and this is the time na may time ako para gawin ito. So starting with my just for these products. So right here with me I have the Light Shine. This one really is the Light Shine Designing Liquid Eyeliner. So as I have told you, it's so hard really to apply a liquid eyeliner, especially if you are first timers or just like me, hindi tayo bihasa sa paglalagay nito. So I have tried this one. I stayed with brown because I want it so safe. Kasi akala ko yung katulad ng iba na nag-i-smudge siya o ayun. Pero iba siya. Iba siya kahit beginners ka pwede mo siyang gamitin. And I had done the brown. This is how it looks like from the brown. Madali po siyang matuyo. I hope you can see it. Ang kagustuhan ko kasi dito is, kahit magkalat siya, it's just like an eyeshadow. That's the term. So, sa kilay naman, ginawa ko lang siya through, hindi po ito tattoo. I did it by myself. And then, ayun. That's why I like, this is the liquid eyeliner. And then the next product I'm just using right now is the mascara, curling mascara. What makes it different with the curling mascara? It has a curve angle na pag ginanito nyo siya, it follows and it lifts and it curls your eyelashes. It gives volume and extension. So, pwede nyo siyang ulit-ulitin. Tapos, madali din ho siyang mag-dry. So, hindi siya magkakalat kasi madali siyang mag-dry. So, you can put it also under. Actually, dito ako nagmi-mirror, so it's so scary. It's scary kasi dito ako sa phone nag-mirror. So, try nyo siya. New color. We're on discounted price right now. So, I have limited stocks for this. So, if you are interested, you can come just today. So, for my basic cream, I use the Age Lock. See? The Age Lock, which defines the texture of your skin and what kind of creams you really need. So it says here, if you see, it says ready. It does the mixing, but I'm not doing it right now because I already applied. So this is a bare skin that I did after taking a bath, and just I put my serum in my cream, day cream, and that's it. And then I did my eyelashes and my eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyeliner. So that's for now, and thank you very much. I hope you will try it.